Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford F350 truck. Begin by laying out simple shapes to build structure. Sketch a long rectangle for the bed and a smaller rectangle for the cab. Add 2 circles for wheels and mark the wheelbase to keep proportions correct. Use light strokes so you can adjust lines, and check heights frequently to maintain the truck's heavy, balanced stance. Now refine the cab and bed to make the Ford F350 recognizable and solid. Define the windshield, door seams, and roofline with confident, clean strokes. Shape the bed edge and tailgate, keeping panel gaps narrow for a heavy-duty look. Add side mirrors and the fuel door where appropriate. Small details now will carry through when you add wheels, grille, and shading later, so keep your lines. Focus next on wheels and the front grille to capture the F350 character. Carve deep wheel wells and draw chunky tires with clear treads for a heavy-duty stance. Build the grille with strong horizontal bars and a central emblem area, then place headlights and bumper details. Add running boards or side steps to emphasize utility. These elements anchor the truck visually and make the drawing read as a powerful, work-ready vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.